Good evening. Hi, nhớ chồng yang chồng tu. Cho lên ha cho tu. Thank you all so much that have helped by prayer donations. Ô chào mấy suốt lời. Cứ thọ vang chiu ha một nhà cho cụ. Today I arrived in Texas and I will be staying here at a place that is called the Barn Doe. Nu noa ku to tu te sa ha ku yo bu ha nyanda khacha lumbe Barn Doe. It's basically just a church's storage unit, but I'm so blessed to have such a great support system and people who are willing to help. Vang chiu phong kong mong joku. We have started the important paperwork process today, and we will begin maintenance tomorrow on things like engine swap and annual inspection. No no baby paperwork lo shi yon tao the piki pay your piku tlang lao kang tao. Thanks again for all you guys have done for me, and the support has been overwhelming, and I cannot be happier. Gu zhong sha ge mei bang gu ta tu ju bang ha ti dai bei. Thank you all so much, and I will check in with you soon. God bless everyone. O cham dao, jo mei ha, ta tu ju Yesu, jo mei tu hao ge, ma xin ji lo.